Today, today we are going to see the chapter number 3, class 10th, science 1, chemical reaction and equations. So, in that topic, we are going to learn about types of chemical reactions on the basis of, you can say that according to the natures and number of reactant and products participate in that reaction. So, according to that, there are four types of chemical reactions. So, first is a combination reaction. We will going to look one by one. So first, combination reaction. What is combination reaction? Simply we can define combination reaction when two or more reactant combine in a reaction to form a single product is called combination reaction. Repeat it. When two or more reactant to repeat it. When two or more reactant combine in a reaction and form a single product is called combination reaction. Just take one example. Just take lime water, calcium oxide, and pass through carbon dioxide gas. What will you going to see that calcium oxide and carbon dioxide both react with each other and form calcium carbonate, which is milky white in color. And if you will going to feel large amount of heat is released in that reaction. Similarly, you can see that when the heat is released is called exothermic reaction. If you want detailed video on it, just comment it down. Or simple basic reaction, just take 2 mg magnesium ribbon and burn it means that ki supply oxygen, you will going to form magnesium oxide with pop sound if you are doing an experiment. So it is magnesium and this is oxygen molecule, and you had formed the reaction magnesium oxide. In both this reaction there are two product sorry there are two reactant and single product is formed. You can say that single product is formed. Calcium oxide and carbon dioxide two reactant and single product calcium carbonate. And in this reaction also there are two reactant molecule magnesium and oxygen and one product molecule, that is magnesium reactant, magnesium oxide. You should always know that कि at the arrow side you should write product and at tail side you should write reactant, or simply you can say that कि right hand side with the product and left hand side with reactant molecule. This is the first combination reaction. Second, we will going to see decomposition reaction. I should define decomposition reaction too. So, simple definition according to your book, the chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed Repeat, two or more products are formed from a single reactant molecule. From a single reactant is called decomposition reaction. So there are various examples. You can take this example also, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, just hit that molecule what you had got, it will going to convert into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. In this reaction you are supplying heat, you are not getting a heat, you are supplying heat. Then this reaction is called endothermic reaction. I can make a detailed video on it if you need it. It's calcium carbonate and calcium oxide. I am writing this name because in examination it is important to write the name of a molecule, otherwise you are going to lose a marks. And second example, which is famous one example, you had a learn in class 9, electrolysis of water molecule. Simply 2H2O supply electricity. By the help of electricity we are going to break the bond of hydrogen and oxygen, and we will get a 2H2 molecule plus oxygen molecule. It is water and it is hydrogen molecule and it is oxygen molecule. In some time in your board the question is asked that if you are going to decompose your organic waste, what going to decompose your organic waste by giving some organisms, bacteria and all, or you can write microorganisms, which product will you form? So the answer is manure and biogas. So for today's lecture we should stop here, and in next lecture we are going to learn displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. So stay tuned, and if you have any doubt please comment it.